Hello and welcome to The Tech Boy, This Week in Tech podcast. Hello everybody on this week of The Tech Boy podcast. We're going to be talking about Snapchat's AI and how I have a different take than many. I forgot my light. It's not on. There we go. How and why I switched to Microsoft Edge and is it working? And Samsung's application. So let's jump into Samsung's application here. Alright, so Samsung released the Galaxy Enhance X application for S23 series device. I have to install APK on my S22 series for some reason. It wasn't in the Galaxy store for me, and it's an okay application. Some of the features in it are already in Samsung's gallery, such as the remove reflections. It has an AI edit mode, which is basically Samsung's remaster. This, for some reason, it also has remove shadows mode. Yeah, that's nice, but there's no remove person or thing mode, and it's just an okay app, whatever. Most of the features are being moved to the gallery. The most exciting feature of Samsung's gallery is already here. So if I were to say take a picture of whatever, so I'm going to take a picture of this podcast and go to the gallery. So you can see this on the screen. There's a TI-84 right there. You can just hold down on it, and boom, you have a little sticker of what it believes you want to select. And then you can copy and save as an image. I'm going to do that, save as an image. And it will be saved as an image. You can use it as a sticker. You can edit it, manipulate it, and everything like so. So that's nice. But Galaxy Enhance X and whatever. All right, on to the next story of the day, which will be I switched to Microsoft Experience Edge. Just a little live vlog. Edge has been a little bit laggy for some reason. Well, Chrome was acting laggy, so I switched to Edge and still whatever, laggy, whatever. And oh my goodness. Would you look at this? My most recent article, the one about Insight to Matt Wallstack, is the number 3 article on TheTechBoy. Number 3, surpassing Niagara launcher review. So off that good news, I have some bad news to tell you, but some good news behind it. TheTechBoy suffered an attempted hack on its Facebook account, and this is how the attackers did it. So the attackers sent me an email claiming that my Facebook was about to be deactivated. I read it, this might be an official Facebook, but I didn't get to see the email signature in time, right? The email address in time, right? Thankfully, my antivirus, AVG antivirus, stopped the attack, and I just could have left it from there, but I investigated. So since it blocked the link on my laptop because of the antivirus, I checked it on my phone, which it appeared to be a cookie session stealer thing, which means it somehow the attackers, I guess, over unsecured Wi-Fi or whatever, got my Facebook session ID and needed me to click on it, right? So however they got it, the session ID, which means if they click in there with the correct session ID, they'll be able to log in with the correct credentials without having to use any credentials. So I logged in there, but then I quickly figured out what it was doing. So I logged out on Facebook so then they couldn't access that. Then I logged in on another browser, not the Facebook, but to the fake link, and it asked for my 2FA code, two-factor authentication, which means you simply a text or whatever. And I just put in a fake thing and then moved on. So it looks like it's a phishing page. Contacted the email hosting company, but then they called me while I was at school, so I have to call them back next week. But anyway, that's an update on that. So yeah, that's that. The other thing in tech news is I finally got Beef installed on the virtual machine. I just need to set up port forwarding so I can show it off to you guys. Maybe next week, maybe the week after that. Oh, now let's talk about that Snapchat AI. So Per Brett Cooper, Snapchat AI has been released for, I guess it's for everybody now, not just paying subscribers. And it's supposed to be conversational. So it's based off of ChatGPT, but it's blocking some of the things like writing essays and whatever. So, I guess it's more school friendly because kids use Snapchat on their phones in school or whatever. And it's supposed to be like an AI friend, and Brett Cooper's weirded out and mad and upset about this, but I don't know. Seems fine enough. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think about AI friends? There's already AI friends in the App Store, right? But an AI friend in Snapchat to like text and talk to, it knows stuff about you and it's learning about you, which tends to creep people out. But I don't know. I think. But what do you guys think about AI friends? I think it's fine, whatever. Like in video games, you can chat to fake people and they'll give a preset of responses. Google Assistant, you already have kind of conversational. You can tell jokes, play games, right? As long as the person remembers that it's an AI, like it's fine. Now I know he's more like not into tech, but I don't know. What do you guys think about AI conversational friends? I think it's fine. But of course I'm in tech, so that might be blowing my vision there. But in Snapchat, I don't know. I don't know how this is going to drive Snapchat revenue. Like Brett Cooper's mad that it's keeping people on the app, but isn't Snapchat like a failing platform? They need people on the app. Like, oh, it's gonna keep people on their phones for long. You have it. What are you gonna do with it? Just look at I get this $900 phone. I just don't really do anything with it. I just like sit there and look at it. It's like, that's a nice phone. Yeah. Like, they're gonna have kids chatting on their phone. So what? Get a life. Okay, whatever. That's just my take on it. I know people in my audience are going to disagree, but whatever. That's my take on the issue. All right, so I wanted to show you guys a tutorial where my computer wasn't complying. It was taking really long. It's just going to be a tutorial about our, our phone. It's going to be like a little mini hacking tutorial about why this stuff can be dangerous, but my computer wasn't complying and everything wasn't working. Hopefully I can get the stuff set up and working well, but I guess since this won't work, it's going to be a short episode of the podcast. So until later, good night and God bless.